In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete a message on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and all you have to do in order to delete a message on Facebook or on Facebook Messenger is go to Facebook Messenger. We can also open up Facebook app and then tap at that icon, but what that will do, that will redirect us to Facebook Messenger application as well. So if you would like to delete a message, we need to go to some conversation first, and once we find a message we would like to delete, we just need to long press on it in this way. Then if we tap at more, we can easily find a remove option here. So we can tap at remove, then remove for you to remove that particular message just for you. Facebook app allows us to delete messages, our recipient messages, just for us in this way. However, our own messages we can remove for both sides. Let me show you how to do so. As you can see, I recently sent a message to that person, and if we long press on it, tap at more, we'll be able to unsend it. So that will remove this message from both sides. So in this way we can easily do that. That's how you can basically easily delete Facebook messages.